How to remove, change or delete your current address on your PayPal is pretty simple, and this video is all about that. It's me, Vichy Kevin. Welcome to One Step YouTube channel, and you guys are watching PayPal tutorial video. And in this video, as I told you, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change, delete, and or remove your address on your PayPal account. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video. So the first thing is you want to go to your browser, want to go to paypal.com like this, which is the official website of PayPal. Once you go to paypal.com, you want to log in into your account. After you log in into your account, it's going to bring you over here. Now, once you're over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner. Once you click on the setting icon, you want to go to where it says the account section over here. Once you're in the account section, you want to go to where it says the address section. Then remember, if you want to change your current address, you can just click on where it says edit and edit the parts of the address over here just like this. If I want to edit my street address, I can edit it right now. My city, my state, my zip code, whichever thing I want to edit, I can edit it and click on update. So since I haven't updated anything, it's showing me please make a change and then try again. But if you guys have made a change and click on update, then your address will be changed. So let's say you want to add a new address. Even though you have this address, you want to add a secondary address. What you want to do is you want to click on add new to add a secondary address. And once you're over here, you can add the address over here just like this. So I just added new address to show you guys how you guys can remove it, because you need to have an address in order to remove it. All right. So now I have two addresses. So let's say I want to remove one of my address. If I want to remove my primary address, I need to change it into a secondary address. And how I can do that is by changing this address over here, which I just added, into the primary address. If I click on this where it says set as primary, this address will be set as primary. And once this address is set into primary, this address over here will no longer be primary and I can remove it. So let's say if I want to remove this address over here, I can just click on remove. Click on remove. So there was a little problem with it. If you see this screen again, if you also see this screen, then basically you just need to wait for an hour. It's some kind of server problem. So if you just wait for 1 or 2 hours and just click on remove, it should be removed. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So hope you guys are able to understand on how you guys can change, add and remove address on PayPal. So if you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye.